Hi everyone, I welcome you all once again to our video class. We are learning about resources and development under geography part. The first lesson is resources and development. So under this title, in the last video, we discussed about the land degradation and conservation measures. Those topics have been discussed in the last video. And now today, let me tell you about the classification of resources, classification of soils. Okay. Resources and development. Soil as a resource. We know very well, soil is considered to be a resource. And soil is the most important natural resource. It is a gifted. Soil is a gifted one. So it is an important natural resource. And we know very well, in a developing country like India, where agriculture is predominant economic activity of the people. And here, soils play a significant role in determining man's economic, cultural, and social progress. We know very well, it is the soil which determines a man's economic, social, and cultural progress. That is why soils play a very important role in our lives, because we know the great civilizations have almost developed on good soils only. All the great civilizations in the world had almost developed on good soils. So ultimately, soils here play a very important role, which determines a man's social, economic, and cultural progress. So such a soil is considered to be a resource, a natural resource. It is a natural resource. So soil is the most important natural resource, and it is the medium of plant growth and supports different types of living organisms. Mainly the soils which supports the life and all the plant growth. Yes, is possible only upon good soils, and it also supports the different types of living organisms. That's why soil is a very important natural resource, my dear. Classification of soils. Soil in India is classified on the basis of chemical and physical factors like color of the soil, thickness of the soil, texture of the soil, age of the soil. So, upon all these factors, based upon these factors, soils are classified. Now in this video, we are going to learn about the classification of soils in detail. Let us discuss the types of soils or classification of soils. So the first one, that is alluvial soil. Alluvial soil. And alluvial soil is the most important fertile soil. Yes. And it is widely spread, particularly in North Indian plains. It is the most fertile soil, and it is widely spread in North Indian plains. As I told you, alluvial soil is the most fertile soil, and this soil, alluvial soil, is classified as Khadar and Bangar. Again, the alluvial soil is classified into two kinds. They are Khadar, and this Khadar is also called as newer alluvium or new alluvial, and Bangar is also known as older alluvium or older alluvium soil. Khadar, newer alluvium, and Bhangar, older alluvium. So these two are the part of alluvium soil or alluvial soil. And this soil, alluvial soil, contains adequate proportion of potash, phosphoric acid, and lime. And these are the important things that are found in the soil. That means the soil, alluvial soil, contains these proportion of potash, phosphoric acid, and lime. And it is suitable for growing paddy, wheat, sugarcane, and other cereal and pulse crops. As I told you, since it is the most important fertile soil, almost all types of soils are generally grown on this alluvial soil. So this is the first kind of soil. On the right side you will see the photo, okay, picture of the alluvial soil, and almost all the important soils are grown upon this soil, my dear children. And one more thing, alluvial soils are the deposits of the great rivers. Particularly in India, we have the perennial rivers like Ganges, Brahmaputra and Sindhu. And because of these three rivers, okay, yes, there are deposits of alluvial soil we have. So alluvial soil, that is why alluvial soil is the most fertile soil, since this soil is the deposits of these perennial rivers, okay. That is the first soil. And then the second one, black soils. Black soils are also called as rigor soils, and this black soil is also known as black cotton soil. Black soil, which is also known as black cotton soil, which is also known as rigor soil. It is also called as rigor soil, and this is black in color. That is why it is called black soil. And particularly the main important crop that is grown upon this soil is cotton. For this very reason, this black soil is also known as cotton, black cotton soil. It is also known as a black cotton soil, okay. And it is also known as rigor soil. It is also called rigor soil. And this soil, cotton soil or black soil, which is ideal for growing cotton, as I told you, it is ideal for growing cotton. And it is found particularly in the plateau areas of Maharashtra, Saurashtra, Malwa, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and also lies along the valleys of Godavari and Krishna rivers. Yes. So it is ideal mainly for cotton growth. And it is made up of extremely fine, that is clayey material, and suitable for growing cotton. And it is rich in nutrients like calcium carbonate, magnesium, potash, and lime, but whereas it is poor in phosphorus contents. So my dear, that is the second important soil type, black soils. And now the third important, that is red and yellow soil. Look at the picture, red and yellow soil. This red and actually the red and yellow soil, it is a red in color, and also it looks yellow, like yellow. That is why this soil is called red and yellow soil, and it develops particularly in low rainfall areas. It is particularly developed in low rainfall areas, okay. And mainly some since it is not so fertile, some important crops such as barley, okay, and other pulses are generally grown in this red and yellow soil. And where it is found? It is found, red and yellow soil mainly found in Orissa or Odisha, yes, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. In these states, predominantly the red and yellow soil which is found, okay, particularly in Orissa, okay, yes, in Orissa it is found. Besides that, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. So this is the another type of soil, my dear, red and yellow soil. And then laterite soils. Laterite soils. Actually, the word laterite has been derived from the Latin word later. The word later in Latin means brick. The word later in Latin language means brick. You should just look at the picture. That's what the soil, which is just looking like a bricks, okay, brick shape. That's why this soil is called laterite soil, okay. This soil develops in areas of high temperature and heavy rainfall. This soil particularly develops in areas of high temperature and heavy rainfall. And this soil, laterite soil, humus content is rich, okay, yes, humus content in the soil, humus content in this soil is very low, yes, humus content is very low, unlike okay, alluvial soil. This Okay, humus, this laterite soil which contains low, okay, humus, okay. Humus content is low in this laterite soil, and it is mainly found in the states of Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, and hilly areas of Assam and Odisha. So in these states where we see laterite soils, my dears. I repeat, this laterite soil is found in the states of Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, and hilly areas of Assam and Odisha. And it is useful for growing, okay, plantation crops like coffee, tea, cashew nut, etc. I repeat, it is useful for growing coffee, tea, cashew nut, etc. So, my dear children, this is all about laterite soils. Okay. Next one, arid soils. Arid soils. Arid soils. Arid soils. This soil is generally sandy in texture, saline in nature. Arid soil is, which is also described as desert soil. Yes, and it is a less fertile soil. We can say this is the less fertile soil, and this soil is generally sandy in texture and saline in nature. It lacks humus and moisture. Okay, this soil is found in western parts of Rajasthan, Punjab, and Haryana. As I told you, it is mostly found in Rajasthan. Okay, it is less fertile. Okay, it's not suitable for cultivation, and the lower horizons of the soil are occupied by kankar due to increasing calcium content downwards. Okay, yes, we see kankar. Okay, yes, so this is all about arid soil. And remember, this arid soil is found in the states of Rajasthan, Punjab, and Haryana, my dears. And next one, the last type of soil, that is forest soil. And this forest soil is found in the hilly and mountainous regions, my dear children. Okay, forest soil is found in hilly and mountainous regions, and this soil is loamy and silty in valley sides, while coarse grained is another type of a soil, while coarse grained in the upper slopes. So this is the last type of soil, my dear children, and particularly this soil is helpful for the growth of all kinds of trees. Okay, mostly for the growth of forests. That's why this soil is called forest soils. Okay, my dear, so all these come under the classification of soils. These are the types of soils, my dear children. Okay, that's why, my dear children, today in this video we discussed the classification of soils. All these come under the types of soils. Okay, and in the next video we shall discuss and learn about erosion. Okay, yes, erosion, types of erosion, what is erosion. Okay, all those things, all the topics we can discuss in the next video. Okay, keep on watching, my dear children, and go through the textbooks. Okay, thank you for watching this video.